guys, and welcome to Christmas with Crystal. Today we're making a snowflake out of hangers. It's so cool. Let's go down. You're gonna need 16 of these hangers, and you are going to do it in 2 layers, one below and one on top. So now making the layer below, so you're gonna find hangers, and make sure your hangers have some cute little hooks and it's pretty strong. And I'm gonna just put them together like this. So this is 2, and make sure the hook is going on the outside and not on the inside. So it shouldn't be like this, it should be like this, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I'll put my 8 up, and it looks kind of cute already if you ask me, but there's a little opening here, so I feel as if I will have to maybe just overlap some hangers a little bit. So I'm going to try to do that to mark it up, to see if I could bring them a little closer together, right? And that worked, I think. Yeah, so now they're all joined, but 2 at the bottom had to go on top, and let's just leave them like that for now and see where it looks. So we have our 4 set up. The tops are basically joined. So this set is going to go same hook going out like this, and so I already see where we can zip tie this in the middle here and make it look really nice and sturdy. So let's leave that there, and I'm gonna keep hooking these up like this. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start putting them together using zip ties. So I'm literally gonna start hooking these things together at all the points where the hangers are like joined. So I'm gonna put one here, one here, one here, one here, and you see what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna just pass my zip tie under like so, and then zip it, but I'm not tightening it all the way. I'm just gonna leave it there to hold together, and then I'm gonna put another one here, right at the top here. So I'm gonna pass this one under, bring it through, and then zip tie it like that. So let me show you one more time before I speed it up. So I'm passing this zip tie under this whole group of hangers here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 hangers. I'm literally just connecting them together. Alright guys, so I got all my zip ties in really nicely. I'm gonna now tighten them all going around from the opposite sides to ensure, so you see I can move it around now because it's all connected, which is really great. So I can probably lift it up by one, but I'm gonna still go around and tighten it all, and then we're gonna see how it ends up looking. So I think I got it, guys. Let's head back into the craft room. Okay guys, so I got finished with my snowflake. It looks really amazing. I mean, you could see where the circles are. It's stuck, it's held together really nicely with just zip ties. Christmas is done, snip them all off, put them back in your closet. It's so simple. I love it. I'm gonna make this every year, and it's so big. It's wow. So this is literally 35 inches across. It's bigger than me. Thank you so much for joining me. Great idea for your snowflake. String lights on it, and you could actually decorate it and make it look really beautiful. So if you try this craft, please let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, as usual, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Have a Merry Christmas and stay crafty, my friends.